going.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see.
Good afternoon everyone, it is Bank Holiday Monday. Hope you had a good Easter yesterday. There's me and Aidan and my wife and stepdaughter are over there somewhere with the dogs. We're at a place called Bluebell Woods in Angmering in West Sussex obviously, and yeah, it's really nice. There's a massive patch. He's gonna do himself an injury shortly. He's thinks he's invincible. But we're yeah, just in the Bluebell Woods having a walk. Once you get to a certain part, yeah, it's just masses of bluebells. I've seen some bluebells and snowdrops walking through. This video may not be everyone's cup of tea, but it's quite a nice little mooch. I was going to do a live, but I don't think I'd get signal very well here. So yeah, we're just walking through. It's a lovely walk. Beautiful day, it's not cold. I cut the grass earlier at home. Still got a bit of a niggle in my back, but it's what it is. Jolted it when I was moving all the stuff out the storage at home. Had a few sales. But anyway, we're not here to talk about work. This is some little bluebells and flowers scattered about.